Previously on Kung Fu Maintenance, I showed you about the fastest way to take down self-aligning vertical blinds when you need to make a repair. Today I'm showing you the actual repair of vertical blinds that are hitting the wall. This is a common cause of malfunctions in vertical blinds.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
easy enough. I'm going to show you my trick for reinstalling them as well. What happened with the other set was it had gotten there was a bend in the metal, and so it would hang up when it would slide. But anyway, no big deal here. Take my whole stack, stack everything up to one side, nice and even, and then this goes pretty quick. Part of what's going on here is this portion of the wall is much further in. I think I should slide this down a bit more. Yes, that's really what's hanging us up here. What's messed up the previous set. So let's see. Could probably leave off the last one, and that would keep that from messing up. All right, I think that'll work because it already extends pretty far over this side. And let's see how it goes. Anyway, by stacking these up together, it makes it really easy to hang them pretty quickly. I just realized this one has no valance, but I guess it's not critical to the function here. But I could go get a balance for this one. My guess is it's kind of hanging on these, so messing it up. It's maybe better without the balance. Racing carpet cleaners today, so trying to get everything done in the room that has carpet so that I don't have to walk on the newly cleaned flooring. Have some more slats here. Perfect. All right. Everything does what it should. This one, also a problem here, so I should really try to find a way to extend this out a bit. You know, that way it won't be hitting this back wall, because every time that it hits there, it's eventually going to mess it up. Now this one's okay if I pop this one out. That's not a problem. But on this side, and you could, you know, put a stop here, but it'd be better if I could put a little spacer and bring this out a little bit more. That would be better. All right. Let's see if we can do that. appliance is being delivered, so I gotta check on that. Okay, on this one I was able to pull it out, put a screw behind it to pull it out from the wall, just far enough so now everything doesn't hit. And I'll do the same on the back one. Be all set. So this one I popped it down from these two, turned this one sideways so I could loosen it up. I'm just going to put a screw as a spacer behind here, and then we'll tighten the screws down. Okay. And this will just push this side out a lot more. All right. There we go. Aimed it a little that way. Should work good. Okay. Hopefully he's not too close to that one. There we go. They're in. And let's see how it works out, if it works out. It was kind of a far one, so we'll see here. Oh, maybe not. It's not too bad, but it still hangs up a bit there. Could trim a little off the side of this one. That would be a little tough though. Can also increase the amount of space. Oh, see that's what it's going to do, is it's going to mess stuff up if we don't do something to pull it out even further. Now, I don't need much more room, but I need more room than what I got. So pop these back down again. Okay. And got a big wire nut. Could almost put that behind there if the screws were long enough. Kind of turn it sideways so I can get in there. Looks like the screws are long enough, so that's good. Looks like that screw liked it there. Okay. Put the wire nut in there. Tighten it down and see how it goes. Not sure I like that one so much. See if a big yellow one. How about that? That should do it good. Not the easiest thing in the world, not the hardest thing in the world either. There we go. Got it in where I want it. Okay. Top one, bottom one. Turn. We're in. We're ready. Oh gosh. That's kind of far. That side. All yeah, we're gonna clear now. Now we have fixed it, so it's not gonna be, it's left to its own thing. It will just mess the blinds up over time. You know, they'll just keep bumping on the wall there and messing up. So we've got these lined up. That's good. Okay, there's a stuff on the opening. Good, good, good. Everything does what it's supposed to do. We're all set. Thanks for watching. Thanks for maintenance. So if we needed to, we could space this one a little bit as well, but we don't need to. It's all fixed. Thanks for watching.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.